Is it time to buy or sell Broadcom stock? In this video, we will explore Broadcom in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 31st of March 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any essential updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by utilizing our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 26th of March, 2025, our system has ranked Broadcom as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -5.68. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has seen a decline of -6.60%. This equates to an average daily loss of -1.65% since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further decline. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 22.93% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible range of returns between -27.75% and -6.33%. In terms of a longer outlook, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 49.03%. Our calculations indicate that the stock's performance could vary between 49.03% and 145.09% over the next year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price range between $249.51 and $410.36. Our latest daily update for Broadcom includes the headline, Broadcom stock downgraded to strong sell candidate. On the last trading day, which was Monday, the 31st of March, 2025, Broadcom's stock price declined by 1%, dropping from $169.12 to $167.43. This marks a continuous decline over the past 6 days. During this trading session, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 4.53%, with a low of $160.65 and a high of $167.93. The price has decreased in 8 of the last 10 days, resulting in a total decline of 13.92% for this period. Trading volume increased on the last day by 3 million shares, albeit amid falling prices. This trend may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the risk could slightly increase over the next few days. In total, 33 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $5.46 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $251.88, while the lowest price was $119.76. Currently, the stock price is 33.53%, or $84.45, below the 52-week high, and 70.13%, or $393.13, below the all-time high, which occurred on the 18th of August, 2022, when the price peaked at $560.56. Broadcom stock, trading under the symbol AVGO, has seen a decline of nearly 18% over the past month, with recent trading indicating a 2.93% dip today. This downturn is largely attributed to investor concerns surrounding tariffs and a potential slowdown in artificial intelligence spending, raising significant red flags for the tech sector. However, on a more positive note, Broadcom showcased advancements in optical connectivity for next-generation artificial intelligence infrastructure at the OFC 2025 conference, positioning itself as a leader in the AI cluster market. The company reported a robust 25% year-over-year revenue increase for the first quarter of 2025, primarily driven by its AI segment, which experienced a staggering 77% revenue growth. This performance has been a focal point for analysts maintaining a buy rating despite the recent stock dips. Furthermore, analysts are optimistic about a possible turnaround, noting that with the stock currently in oversold territory, the selling pressure may soon reverse. The lower EV over EBITDA ratio suggests AVGO could be undervalued by over 20%, presenting a compelling investment opportunity amid the current market conditions. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 7th of March, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned AVGO an overweight grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 7th of March, 2025, it was reported that KeyBank assigned AVGO an overweight grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 16th of December, 2024, it was reported that CICC assigned AVGO an outperform grade with an upgrade action. On Friday, the 13th of December, 2024, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned AVGO an overweight grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 11th of October, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned AVGO a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts had assigned Broadcom stock a general neutral rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts rate the stock as a buy. The following signals have been identified for Broadcom. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the short-term development of the stock. Broadcom stock currently shows sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal due to the long-term average being above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $179.85 and $200.67. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal emerged from a pivot top point on Wednesday, February 12, 2025, and so far, the stock has declined by 29.16%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which may signal an early warning. Therefore, the stock should be monitored closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 33 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 31 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 27 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 29 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 24 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 11 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Broadcom. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Given the right conditions, the stock may experience significant declines in the coming days. This stock typically shows average daily movements, and with a healthy trading volume, the associated risk is regarded as medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $7.28 between its high and low, which equates to 4.53%. Additionally, for the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 4.25%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Broadcom, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued, or that investors anticipate significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 11th of June, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.56. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Broadcom. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Broadcom is at $194.96. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, This could be a significant level to consider for swing trading. There is no substantial support from accumulated volume below this level, which suggests that the stock could potentially experience a sharp decline under certain conditions. It is important to proceed with caution and consider making moves only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such scenarios. The combined average rating for Broadcom from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider transactions were conducted by Samuel E. Henry, who bought and sold 390,017 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 17.394. In total, insiders acquired 2,202,240 shares and divested 3,073,940 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Broadcom stock a good buy? Broadcom exhibits several negative indicators and is currently experiencing a significant downward trend. Therefore, we anticipate that its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks, leading us to maintain a negative assessment of this stock. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have adjusted our analysis from a sell to a strong sell recommendation since our last evaluation. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 1st of April, we expect Broadcom to open lower by $2.09, starting at $165.34. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is essential to consult a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Also, remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.